Oh shit. Here we go again.
Yeah. You are welcome to another market outlook from Nucleus FX, and as you know, it's your boy, the sniper. So let's go over our trades for this past week. So this past week we let's go to the channel. Let's go to the channel to see what let me see. Yeah, so we're targeting a buy on odd USD, targeting this fair value gap and liquidity. And let's see what happened on odd USD. As you can see, odd USD went to our target. It did not come to our entry, but if I had wanted to join in, I would have just entered here, but I didn't join in this train because I was busy on other setups, so I didn't have time for this one. Yeah. So yeah. So as you know, we don't shoot in the dark. When we tell you it's going up, it's going up. If it's going down, it's going down. So our bias was right. Um, let's see. We also analyzed odd card. We wanted it to also go up. I think I forgot to put the entries there, but let's see. So let's look at odd card. So odd card 2 is the same thing. We're looking for it to go up, and it also went up, but the entry was kind of tricky. But if I wanted to enter, I would have entered in this fair value gap. So let's go to odd CHF. Yeah, we're targeting this. Let's see odd CHF. Yeah, so odd CHF also left us. It didn't come to our point of interest, but if I still wanted to enter, I would have entered around this side. Entered on this fair value gap. So yeah, so we are done with last week's. So this is last 2 weeks entries, and they are still, I don't know, price has been very annoying, and it's normal because we are in January, so price will be a little bit finicky. Okay, so let's look at our setups for this week. So this week you have a lot of work to do, a lot of money to be made because you have a lot of setups. But the fact that there are so many setups doesn't mean that you just enter all of them. You look for the one that you are quite comfortable with, and then you enter. So we are looking at a lot of euro pairs and probably NZD pairs. So um, let's do the first one, Euro NZD. So let's go and find Euro NZD. Where is Euro NZD? And don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you might not see my channel again. So subscribe so that you can still get blockbuster setups, yeah, for free. You can also join my Telegram group. The link is in the bio. Everything is for free. Everything here is for free. We even all our setups, they are live. You can take them and make money. Okay, so we are looking for Euro NZD. Yeah, this Euro NZD. So let's go Euro NZD. Yeah, so let's go to the daily. Okay, so this one has already been taken already, so I think this one might not be useful. So let me push it to this side and let's see. So looking at this other block, price might bounce off this other block and go up to our target here. You can see we already have some swings here, and we are looking for price to at least fill this fair value gap. Yeah, so I'm looking for at least either this other block or this one, but I'll be looking at this other block. Looks very solid, so I'll be looking to taking an entry probably around here. And as you know, you don't have to be predictive, you have to be reactive. So it's based on what it shows me in this other block that I will take an entry. So I'm looking at entering for a buy around this side, targeting this equal highs here, and also this fair value gap. So these are the two that those are the targets. That's 500 pips, and you'll be risking about 100 pips. And normally our stop loss doesn't get hit often. Yeah, that's why I'm comfortable with my stop losses, because it gets hit seldomly. Yeah, that's why it's only sniper entries that we do here. Yeah, so I'll be looking at this. If it backfires, I'll enter here on this other block, targeting the same thing. So if worst case scenario it's hit my stop loss, I'll still enter here. If it hits this stop loss, then I'm done for the day. So we are done with analysis for Euro NZD. So let's go to Euro CHF. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, so Euro CHF, you're already running in blues from last week. Yeah, so still be continuing the trend. I'll be adding some positions. So looking at this, I would want price to retrace to this place, this particular region. I'm looking for price to come to this region here, either here or in this other block. I'll be looking for price to enter this region for me to take some to add some trades. Yeah, so I'm looking at this, either this, I think this is too close, but I'll still watch what price does around that side. So either here, still targeting this fair value gap, or we'll still target our other block here. So yeah, that's 400 pips, 300. Yeah. So that's what we'll be targeting. Yeah, we'll be targeting either here or here, one of them. Yeah, that's what we'll be targeting. So So I think we are done with Euro CHF. So let's go to Euro card. So Euro card, the price has been messy of late, but how we go do am? We will still manage. We still make do with what we have. So yeah, so I'll be looking to take entries around this side. I'll be looking to take entries here. Yeah, around this side. This side looks, our target has not been hit yet, so yeah, so I'll be waiting for price to come to this other block here. Yeah, so we'll be buying and targeting this side for a cool 400 pips. Yeah, so this one we are risking about 80-90 pips. Yeah, okay, so we are done with Euro card. So let's go to Euro odd. I think Euro odd, where is Euro odd? Okay, Euro odd is here. So let's go to Euro odd. Let's do this fast. Yeah, we have experience, so we don't waste time. Yeah, so let me see. Okay, this other block, I think price would reverse in this other block here. And where would we be targeting? Let me see. There is belong. I traded this pair. I think this side. Let's see. This side and this side, and then I think yeah, this side will be good. Yeah, this fair value gap and this fair value gap here. So let me adjust it, and yeah, so I think yeah, this, let me see this, this side also looks very juicy. This side, let me see another. Yeah, this side there will be a lot of liquidity here. Yeah, so there will be a lot of liquidity here. So let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, so the 4-hour, let me see. Okay, would be either here, either this other block. I think this area here. This area here will be best for taking entries. So I'll be looking at this area here. I'll wait for price to come there, and I'll see what it can do. Okay, so I think this is 1000 pips, and this is a 200 pip stop loss. So as I said, I'll still wait to see what price will do, then I'll take an entry. So yeah, we are playing with probabilities here. We are working with probabilities. Yeah. Yeah, so I think we are done with euro odd. So let's go to the Odogu himself, gold. Odogu gold. That guy has been taking people's, he has been taking the souls of people's accounts since 1950. That guy has no mercy. Odogu gold. Adekunle gold. Gold move gold. Oh, this guy. Hey, don't play with him. He's not your friend. Gold is not your friend. If you play with gold, gold will mess with you. Okay, so let's look at this. Look at the daily. Daily. I think this side. This. Okay, so it reacted. It has already reacted on this other block. It's already reacted. So this one, I think. Oh, Charlie. So we are looking to sell gold. So let me move this one. It wasn't even triggered, so I think let me just remove it so that or let me see, probably, let me just move it here. Yeah, so gold has already reacted on this other block. So okay, so what are we aiming for on gold? There is a fair value gap here, which is a low hanging fruit. A low hanging fruit is a target that can easily be hit, but this fair value gap here is another thing. So the way I'm looking at it, I think it's Monday would show us what it wants to do, but I'm thinking it might come and react to fill this fair value gap and probably fall, or it might still fall. But we'll wait to see what price will do. Okay, this fair value gap on the lower time frame, it has been filled already. So I'll be looking at probably this one. Let's see there. I think yes, yeah. So where will we be taking our entries? Well, I think this is a trend that has started already, so I think probably around here, but I'll wait to see what it will do first. Yeah, I think, yeah, the cool 1:4 is not bad. So either here for this target and probably here. Also be targeting this fair value gap. Yeah, so I'll just be managing the trade until it gets here. If it reverses, then we just get out. So we are done with Odogu gold. So let's go our last one, NZD USD NU. Yeah, so today, this week, we have a lot of setups, so we have a lot of work to do, a lot of money to be made, and a lot of work to be done. So let's see, there is liquidity around this side. So looking at this, price can do a manipulation to the upside and then fall, or it might still fall, but I'll still look at what price will do. But we already have a fair value gap. We already have another block here, so looking at this, I think yeah, I'm looking at this other block. I'll see how price reacts around that side, and then I'll enter. So let me see. I want to see what this other, okay, so probably here, I think it's already there. So yeah, so we'll be watching this to see what it does. So we'll be selling around this side, targeting, where would we be targeting? Okay, there's some liquidity here, some fair value gap. So yeah, I'll be targeting this fair value gap. So at least a cool 1 is to 6. So let me put at least, yeah, so I think this is okay. This is okay for now. Yeah, so I think, yeah, we are done with our setups for the week. So we just choose the one you want and you just react. Yeah, in this game you have to be reactive. You don't have to be predictive. You have to wait for price to tell you something. If price tells you something, then you can enter. You don't just rush into it because you have done analysis and you think it's a sure banker. No, you have to wait for price to whisper into your ear. And my students and everyone in my camp, we know what we are looking for before we enter. Yeah, and that is only offered in our mentorship. So yeah, so subscribe to this channel, because if you don't subscribe, you might not see me again. And for those who have subscribed, you are welcome. And this is your guy Sam Agla, and you can also follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, Sam Agla. These people. So yeah, you can follow me on Instagram at Sam Agla. The devil is a liar. These people don't want me. They don't want me to show you. But this is my handle, Sam Agla. You can just follow me, and you can also subscribe to my channel on Telegram too. Yeah. If you also want mentorship, you can just mention it as a comment on this video, or you can DM me on Instagram, or you can DM me with the details on the pin message. The pin message has all my details. You can also DM me on Sam Agla and we can get talking. So this, and we also have everything that you need as a trader in our channel too. So yeah, so thank you very much for your time, and I wish you all the best in your trading, and we'll meet next week. Adios. I'll see you next time, but make sure that your MT4 is blue. And I'm out.
Are you saying we shouldn't have helped? Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way.